jollof rice and fried plantain.
Mama G, they say, take time easy, forget your palava, make we jolly, this morning now, wow. Jolly today.
Onions and tomatoes. It's time to pour our century to give us aroma. So let's wait a minute for it to fry. So here is our chopped coconut. Let's put it inside. Time to put our spices.
Forget your palava, make we jolly this morning now, wow. Jolly today, forget tomorrow.
It's time to put our smoked fish. Our smoked fish is not enough. I want to add this sardine. It's time to allow the rice to steam.
Mama G, they say, take time easy.
So let's wait for 10 to 15 minutes.
Jolly, this morning now.
Guys, our food is ready. Let's open our pot and check. Delicious. Time to dish out my mommy food.
Hey, my baby boy has cooked. Give me high five.
Forget your palava. Make we jolly this morning now, wow. Jolly.
I'll give you a 10 over 10.